Hey, beauty cuties, come with me as we turn this beautiful bombshell, already cute, into this fabulous, wonderful soul. I'm going to take you step by step. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for joining. All right, so first what I do is I take my shears and I go in and I cut everything as low as I can with my shears. This was a 2-month process. She came in first and I did a consultation. Make sure you always do a consultation. I took my measurements. Once I got her measurement, I sent in all the information to the manufacturer. They then send me this beautiful unit piece. What I'm doing here now, after I put it on, I size it up, make sure everything is measuring up right, everything did. Now what I want to do is take all the hair away because now it's time for me to glue everything down. I take a Sharpie and I line everything up so that when and if the piece moves around, I know how to place it back on perfectly. I now shave the scalp. As you see the dots on her scalp, those are just marks, an indicator to show me where the toupee belongs. So now I go back and I line everything up. I now put my first application of glue. Boy, I wish I could work this fast for real in real life, y'all. Oh my Lord, this took almost probably 2 hours, but nevertheless, she was amazing. Once I get everything glued down, I did 2 coats of the LeHost lockdown. And then I had my assistant Spencer. All I needed her to do after I made my measurement with my forefinger, the hardest part is the hairline. I'm not even going to lie. You get that hair down, that hairline off, and the whole toupee can be absolutely destroyed and you have to start all over. It's a nightmare. Trust me, I've been there before. So again, I got 2 coats of lockdown glue. Spencer's holding everything in place for me. What I now want to do is ease the toupee down and I slowly move it down. Do not rush this part because you'll get wrinkles. And if it gets wrinkles, she'll be very, very uncomfortable. Look how that lines up perfectly. As I push down, we roll it onto a glued scalp. Once I get it down, I then go in and I make sure everything nice and secure. There was a little bit of overage. I just cut that off. Now what you see me doing is going around the perimeter and I'm putting our tape around the perimeter. Now I'm just kind of making sure all of the edges is locked down perfectly. I go back in with the lockdown glue. I use my back comb to make sure everything is sealed. You want to make sure you sealed everything. This already, if she walked out the door, she looks amazing. She said she wants really kind of curl, like a free style, nothing really structured. I did purposely get it a loose wave so when we wet it down, it'll be super easy for her to take care of. She has some health challenges. We're believing God for complete healing for her life. She has lupus, and basically what you see me doing is I'm going in and I'm taking out the bulk at the top so that when she wears it and she styles her hair at home, it's very easy. It's going to fall right back into place into the style that I cut. So what I'm doing is very crucial, not only putting it on right, but cutting it so she can style it. Look at her. She feeling herself, y'all. Yeah, baby. Huh? I left. She kept that party going. She was so happy. I wet everything down. We have Unlock and Protect and Shine and a little bit of mousse, and that's it. And that is all. Look at her. She looks absolute. She's the prettiest thing, isn't she? I love Miss Kim. Now watch her, y'all. She is really feeling herself. I happened to peek out there and see her. I was like, go. Hey. She was a dream.
Hi. How did you find us? Well, I was unhappy with the place where I was going, and every time I walked by the LeHost that's on Craig Road, it just kept pulling me towards them. Everybody would say hello when I came by the door. Very friendly customer service. And so I walked in and I was so intrigued by the great friendly people and the customer service. And so I made an appointment and I'm just so happy with my hair. Look how
was your
beautiful
experience today?
Amazing. I feel So good. Not only about my hair, but the customer service, the hair quality, everything, just everything.
And where did you get your hair done today at?
I got my hair done today over at the new salon that's over by, in the mall.
Yeah.
The new second salon. The new salon, look at it. It's just amazing. And Haith did my hair, and she's amazing. She makes you feel so much like family here, and so do all the girls. And it's just more than just a salon. It's just an amazing experience. And I would tell anybody to come down here, whether it's just to buy a topper or a wig, or somebody going through some medical situation like myself, who has like alopecia, missing a lot of hair on their head. Don't be afraid to come down and speak with any of the girls, because they will not only take the time to speak with you and help you get a piece that looks like your hair, but make you feel so good about yourself. Because I have just a great experience today, and I feel so wonderful about myself. So take the time, come down and visit either the salon on Craig or Las Vegas Boulevard, because you will be so happy.